Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, I'd like to show you 10 words in Austrian German that deal with the topic school. In this video, we take a look at some typically Austrian words, which are often used when talking about the topic school. This time, we will get to know words like Taferlklassler, Schummelzettel, Federpennal, Nachzipf. The idea of this video comes from a comment, and therefore thank you very much for your input. If you want to learn more about the school system in Austria or additional words, please let me know in the comments below. Let's get started. The learning goal of this video is to get to know 10 words about the topic school in Austrian German. First of all, let's start with the word Taferlklassler. Taferlklassler. Any idea what it could mean? It is the perfect word to start with because it has to do with the beginning. Taferlklassler is a pupil in the first grade of primary school. Taferlklassler is derived from the words Tafel, blackboard, and Klasse, grade or class. The second word on our list is Schuljause. Schuljause is a typically Austrian word and translates to school snack or school break snack. It refers to the food or snacks that students bring to school to eat during their breaks. Schuljause. Third, we have to take a look at the most important exam in the Austrian school system, the so-called Matura. The Matura is the final examination or qualification that students in Austria can pass. It is the equivalent to high school graduation in other educational systems. The fourth word on our list is römische Einser. Any wild guess what that is? The term literally means Roman 1. Römische Einser refers to a grade of 1, equivalent to an A or high mark in the Austrian grading system. However, it is not an official mark, because 1 or sehr gut is the best mark. But römische Einser just means it is better than very good. 10 out of 10, so to say. The fifth word can be seen as the opposite of the best mark, namely Fünfer. Fünfer refers to a grade of 5 in the Austrian grading system, which is equivalent to an F or a failing grade. In Austria you also come across the terms like Pfleg or Fetzen for such a bad mark. Pfleg, Fetzen. If someone gets too many Fünfer, he may need a so-called Nachzipf, or more formally spoken, eine Nachprüfung. Nachzipf refers to a re-examination or make-up exam that a student takes after failing an exam during the regular school year. It is often called a Nachprüfung, Nachzipf. The seventh word we deal with is Schummelzettel. Schummelzettel is a cheat sheet or grip sheet that students might use during exams to help them remember information or answers. Basically, it is forbidden. Nevertheless, it is very common in Austria to use a Schummelzettel. Number 8 on our list is the term Federpennal. This is a crucial term for every pupil. Any idea what a Federpennal is? Federpennal refers to a pencil case or a pencil box used by students to hold their pens, pencils, erasers, and other stationery terms. The ninth Austrian word about school is Klassenordner. Klassenordner are those pupils who are responsible for the classroom management. Usually every week 2 students are responsible for cleaning a blackboard or organizing other tasks. Finally, number 10 of a crucial list about school in Austria is Klassenkasperl. Any idea? Klassenkasperl is someone who is humorous, likes to joke around and often seeks attention to make others laugh in a classroom. Klassenkasperl could also be named class clown. I hope I could give you a little insight into the various words used in Austria to talk about the topic school. If you're interested in the topic or you want to know more about the school system in Austria, please let me know in the comments below. For further information about Austrian German, I may recommend the podcast How to Understand Austrians. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiederschauen, Servus und Baba.